Exercise 3.18, problem 3, division 1, solution. If alpha and beta are the roots of the equation 3x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0, then find the value of alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. It's an interesting problem, and you will have a lot of problems in this direction, but anyway the approach will be the same. So since alpha and beta are the roots of the equation, you can find the value of alpha plus beta, which is minus b by a, that is it will become minus of minus 5 divided by a is 3, and alpha beta will be equal to c by a, that will be equal to 2 by 3. So you have the values of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. So here you take LCM and try to get the whole expression in terms of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Once you get that, you substitute the values which you had calculated for alpha plus beta and alpha beta from this equation and simplify it. Okay, so that's the approach we'll be taking. So now let's do it. So here the equation is 3x square minus 5x plus 2. So a is 3 and b is minus 5 and c equal to 2. Okay, sum of the roots is alpha plus beta, that is 5 by 3. Okay, that is minus b by a, right? So it will become minus of minus 5 and divided by a is 3, 5 by 3, and product of the roots alpha beta is 2 by 3. And now we need to find the value of alpha by beta plus beta by alpha, that is alpha beta, and beta will go alpha times alpha into alpha is alpha square, and alpha will go beta times beta into beta is beta square. Now alpha square plus beta square, the key idea is to express this whole thing in terms of alpha plus beta and alpha beta, because these are the two values we know. Am I right? So now if you look at it, this is a square plus b square. A square plus b square can be written as a plus b the whole square minus 2ab. You can check this on expanding. If you expand this, you'll get a square plus b square 2ab. That plus 2ab and this minus 2b will get cancelled. So you'll be left with a square plus b square, which is the same, right? So if you remember that formula, you can apply it here. So now in this formula, you know alpha plus beta, you know alpha beta, and you know this alpha beta. All three are known, right? So you will be able to calculate the value, right? Substituting the values of alpha plus beta and alpha beta in this above, we will get, so this will be 5 by 3 the whole square, and 2 into alpha beta is 2 by 3, right? So 2 into 2 by 3 divided by alpha beta, that is 2 by 3. So this will become 25 by 9 minus 2 into 2 by 3, that is 4 by 3 divided by 2 by 3. Now if you take LCM, this will be 9, so it will become 25. 3 will go 3 times in 9, so it will become 12, right? So 25 minus 12 by 9, this will get inverted into 3 by 2. So this will go 3 times here, and 25 minus 12 is 13, and the 3 2s are 6. Therefore, the value of alpha plus beta, the value of alpha by beta plus beta by alpha is equal to 13 by 6. Okay. So the key is you'll have to express whatever they have asked us in terms of alpha plus beta and alpha beta through appropriate identity. Thanks for watching this video.